Okay, this is the Carey Smart Canner, and today we did a pot roast, potatoes, and baby carrots. Make sure when you buy your carrots they're cut and peeled, because otherwise it's just a mash 'em type of thing. Anyway, that's for another video. Okay, so the meat was at the bottom, and then the potatoes, and then the roast. I used 2 beef bouillon cubes because I didn't have beef stock. And I did onion powder. I did a little bit of garlic powder and a lot of pepper. So this is done. Smells so good in here. And this is dinner for the night. Okay, so what I love about the Smart Canner is this meat is just, I mean, no effort whatsoever. It's just pulling apart. And it just smells so good. And so I will tell you what I did and how I did the roast, and then that way you guys will know. I'm going to put a little bit of this smoky black pepper A1 on here just because I love the taste of A1 steak sauce, especially the smoky black pepper. And I will explain how I did the settings. So let's go back over to the canner. I have so much going on today. Decorations everywhere. I have so many different things I'm working on. And so today, and I didn't want to heat up the kitchen, but I really wanted to do a pot roast, only because I've got so much going on. I wanted to cook a nice meal, but I didn't want to heat the house up, and I didn't want to make a big mess, and this way I have one thing to clean, and that's it. So here's how I did the roast. My roast was just over 8 pounds. I then came and I hit the brown and the start button, and then that heats up the inside. You leave the lid open, you flip the meat around, and you brown it. Once you've done that, you turn it off. You do all your potatoes and your carrots, and I did 2 beef bouillon cubes because I didn't have beef stock. And then I did just over 1.5 cups of water, threw that in with the meat once it was browned, and then I hit the pressure cooker button, and then I hit 65 minutes. I closed the vent at the top, which is right here. And then, so what happens is this goes around in circles for a few minutes, and then it counts down and then beeps when it's done. Easy peasy. That's all you have to do, and it turns out to be a wonderful meal. Don't be afraid of a pressure cooker, but make sure you read the directions and follow them, because you can actually harm yourself or others by doing something that you should not do. And so, even though I've used this before, I went ahead and I peeked at, made sure what I was doing. I just try not to get too quickly get in too much of a hurry. I have a lot of Halloween things I've got laid out all over the counter. But I just really wanted to make a nice meal. And Ed had to go to work, and I wanted him to have a nice meal. So that's what I did. That's how I did it. I used my Carey Smart Canner. This was a really quick video, so I'm going to jump off here. I'm going to get busy. I'm going to eat my dinner while it's warm. And guys, real quick, just a real quick thing. You cannot open this until, if you pressure cook in it, until you open the valve up, let the pressure out. I used a spoon to touch the thing just because that does get, once it starts to spit open, it gets hot. And you cannot open, when this gets into the lock position, it won't let you unlock it until almost all that pressure is out. And I just wanted to be able to tell you that, because I don't want someone brand new to accidentally break their lid because they're like, it's not opening, it's stuck. If you ever pressure cook and you can't open the lid, it means there's not enough pressure that has been released, for you to be able to open the lid. So just a little hint real quick. I'm going to jump off here. Be kind, hit like, hit subscribe. I've got many more videos coming out, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.